Oh my god. Hey folks, good morning. In the last video I showed you the complete destroyed engine where the engine case exploded, and today is the day we deinstall the engine full, and Alex is just working here, and you see here that is the full destroyed engine case here, and there's the hole. Alex, have you some news here?
No.
Noch nicht?
Noch nichts Interessantes.
Not now. Let me show the turbo. Oh, you see the engine is running much too hot. Very wide there, and a very big crack here straight at the turbo, but it is often. Oh, that's massive. Oh, you need a piston clip. Komm her. Hier. Präsent. Den kannst du gleich auf den Schrottplatz bringen. Rodbolt.
ATF draufstehen. Hier steht ATF drauf.
Here original head bolts.
Jetzt würde ich gedacht haben, wir müssen hier, ja,
Okay.
hier einsteigen, hier, so. Ja. Also ich So, dann fahren wir ein bisschen hoch, dann wird man da runter.
What is it? Ah,
Wurde schon mal gemacht.
they use here not oil or something like this. They use a cream. Nivea cream. Oh, he are not stop. Oh my God. What for a head gasket is it? Chromatic head gasket. They already have surfaced the deck here. I think this engine is not running for a long time, but let me show the cylinder. Oh my God. Yes, party. You need a piston ring.
Oh, sieht gut aus.
You can use it again. That's our original piston. You see here the casting and the original Fuji Heavy Industry logo. That is a pretty nice souvenir.
Dann hat er da Auflage.
Okay, here we are. Engine is full disassembled, and here was a pretty big party in it. Wow. Alex, show us this rods here. I think we can use it again. A bisschen schleifen, polieren. A little bit polishing or something like this, and we can use it again.
Machst ein bisschen Schweißpunkt, dann hast du weniger Spielfeld.
Dobrze. Boah. Alex, check this bolt if it's tightened correct. Whoa. So fast?
Schon gut fest.
Okay. So don't forget that I think we tightened too hard. Looks like new, the bearings. Okay. Okay guys, that was a disassembling from this destroyed engine case. We don't use it again and everything comes new. Maybe we can rebuild the heads. The customer gets a complete new EJ20 stage 2 long block, and we start building this engine today. And I say thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And here you see a project here, project 6-cylinder. We still working on that. That is a lot of development for this engine because Here you see we have to create a exhaust manifold plate. In the last moment I got a very good idea, because and if you like to win this unique souvenir, write down in the comments proud of Boxer. Thank you for watching, and ciao and bye bye.